you know what's weird? Being a YouTuber. Being a vlogist. Let's roll that intro and let's get to talking about it. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the Chopper Fett channel. My name is Brett, and as always, I do make the motorcycle related videos as you see here. So what I mean by weird is I just signed off on another video and I gave my camera the peace sign. Now I gotta be thinking, what do all these people think about this guy, big guy in a big old orange hoodie? Why is he giving the peace sign to his camera? Isn't that supposed to be for safety? You know, 99% of the people in the world do not know what a motovlogger is. And I am not the one who's going to probably introduce them to that. That's for bigger and other people. But no, it's kind of fun. There's a certain amount of apprehensiveness you have to get over because I don't like to stand out in a crowd. If you see me in a group, I will not be the one talking to you most likely. Just part of my introvertness. And I'll have another episode that's all about being an introvert and doing this and how I'm able to do it. Well, not how, maybe how I'm able to, not able to. I guess that's really your guys' call. I think I'm talking to you guys anyway. I'm back. But no, I really do. I got some stares sometimes as I'll pull up to a stoplight and flip up on the visor. I'll start talking. They'll be like, "What? What'd you say? What'd you say to me?" Like, I'm talking to a camera. Hi, you want to be on YouTube? Want to be a star? No, actually, that's never really happened too much. I have had a few people ask if I was recording, and I say yeah, but I'm not gonna say, hey, yeah, you're gonna be on YouTube. All right, you're gonna be on YouTube. No one cares about a 500 subscribe channel. But you know, maybe next year I'll start kind of expanding a little bit. As you guys know, I've had the second kid. As of recording this, she's 4 months old, probably 5 or almost 6 months old by the time you're seeing this. But she and my boy take up so much time, it's hard for me to get out and promote, I guess you could say. And this really isn't the season to be promoting, to be quite honest anyway. Did I say green? Happy birthday to me. Not my birthday. But no, next year, here's what my ideas would be. I want to get some spam cards situated. That used to be a better thing before all this C-word crap started. You know, you could hand out stuff to people without being worried of contracting something. But I want to get some spam cards made up. I need to get some new stickers made. Which of my two logos do you guys like? Which one of these do you think would be a better sticker? My helmet sticker or my Route 66 me riding the bike sticker? Or both. But yeah, that's about all I got though. Go ahead and post in your comments below as far as what sticker you think would look best for promotional items. And as always, I will catch you guys on the next dark side, as this is the way. Chopper Fett out. Thanks a lot, guys.